Kalbo na yan. Pangalan palang Richman
Dito
pa
to
yan.
yan. Pero
Ayos naman kabayan.
ayos na. Mekos inside na like this. What's up, yo, kabayan? Good evening, good morning. So I'm with, what's your name?
Pangalan ko yung Anwar lang.
Anwar, yeah, Anwar from
Ay kabayan,
India.
kamusta ka?
Oh, tell something. You know how to speak Tagalog, right? Ito. Now shy.
Hindi ko alam kung yung sabi Tagalog naman kasi sorry na yan.
Alam mo yung mekos? Mekos inside na like this. Andito na si Kalbo. At
Oo.
andito si Anwar.
Dito, kalbo na yan. Pangalan palang Richman pa yan.
Pero walang pera.
Kasi pangalan na yan, Rich, walang pa yung pera naman.
Puro utang, ha?
Di ba ikaw?
Nangungutang ako, guys, kasi may
Oo,
Bombay.
kasi- Kumusta ka, all kabayan?
Pautang. So, subscribe, guys. Anwar from India, no?
India.
Not South India.
Yeah, South India.
South India. Okay. So, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, see you palang bukas.